Tuesday fabrics. Tonight we have a webcast and I'm going to use some of these fabrics, and so I've got to put them up. But also we have had a couple requests, so we're honoring all of that. We're going to start with, this is such a beautiful collection. We're going to start with this 100% cotton. It's a very fine rib. They call it a micro rib. I know you can't see it because it's really fine. But anyway, it's 100% cotton, has stretch in one direction, and it's really a beautiful piece of fabric. Very pretty. And then with it goes this partner. This is a cotton poly. Both sides are really usable. One side's a little bit darker. You could certainly do lots with it, but these are great companion pieces. I use them together, and I think you'll really like what you're going to see. This is these four are Valentino, and this is a combination silk wool. It's beautiful, just beautiful. The drape on this is incredible. The density of the thread is so tight that it makes the drape just absolutely stunning. That's kind of a vanilla color. This is a Valentino print. It goes with all of these, the blue as well. Look at that together with that. It's just so beautiful, it's so stunning. This would be perfect for jacket, pants, blouse, either, it's one of those fabrics that works for everything. The silk, as you know, anything goes with silk. That background is a black, but it blends so beautifully with these blues because the colors of the blues are all throughout this fabric. So I put that in as a match. Well, it came as a match actually. This we're going to use tonight also. It's beautiful. I called it ocean blue. It's just, again, a wool silk blend. Oh, it's just beautiful. And this is a jacquard, again, Valentino. This jacquard, just an incredibly beautiful piece of fabric. I don't know what else to say. They're all at a special price today. Obviously, today and tomorrow they'll go up. But anyway, that's a gorgeous combination. We'll see you tonight. And don't forget, it's Giving Tuesday for Fit to Stitch. We appreciate all of you. All right, happy sewing.